nothing changes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I could not wait to make this video after somebody sent me the link to this. If you see this video and you sent me the link to this and suggested I make the video on this, please give me some permission to shout you out because I'd love to. I appreciate when you guys send me stories to my email, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, about this. But today, in our idiot reselling idiot of the day, I don't even know how to wrap my mind around this. It's boggling that they even tried this. Two Amazon resellers, two Amazon sellers, and social media influencers, mind you, were going to sell counterfeit goods, but they knew that they could not list counterfeit goods on Amazon for sale, obviously, right? So with that said, they even, and guys, just FYI, side note, even if you disclose that an item is counterfeit, you're not allowed to sell it. It's illegal. Please don't even ask this in a Facebook group. You'll get ripped apart. Rightfully so. These companies spend a lot of money on their brand. No, selling it fake and telling someone it's fake still does not make it okay. With that said, since they knew they couldn't list these items on Amazon and sell them because they'd obviously get taken down and they risk a lawsuit and all that sort of stuff, they came up with a very creative way to sidestep Amazon's counterfeiting team. They did the following. They created an Amazon listing for a wallet, and it would just say brown wallet. That was it, with just a generic picture and a generic title and all that stuff. And the reason is because they weren't relying on people on Amazon finding their product and buying it. That wasn't their point. They didn't care about that. What they wanted to do was go out on their social media network, use the link to the Amazon product, which apparently they turned into an affiliate link to send everyone to. And they would say, hey, we have a brown Gucci wallet. If you order the generic one on this link, we will send you the real fake one for $20, right? So they're selling fake ones. They're openly advertising to people. Don't spend $200 on a Gucci wallet. Buy it from us for $20. They're probably buying it from China for like $1, right? I don't know the back end, but whatever. So they would literally put up a social media post on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or wherever they were posting to and say, buy the generic brown wallet off of Amazon for $20 and we'll send you the fake Gucci one so you have a cool designer one. They would never put any of that on the Amazon listing, so people would just click on the Amazon listing, they would buy it, and then they would mail them the fake Gucci wallet or whatever it was, right? And so nobody would complain because they knew they were getting fake stuff, and they would always get what they ordered because they were ordering a bad generic brown one. And anyways, do you guys see the problem with this? Jeez, in dumb criminals of the day, this one takes the cake. Let me take you over to the iPad. I have the story up. It is mind-blowing. It's hilarious. Clearly they got caught. They're in huge trouble. What do you think happened to them? Pause the video, comment below what you think happened to them and what kind of punishment they got. And then I'm going to take you over to the video right now and show you what actually happened to them. This one's hilarious. This one takes the cake. All right, as I promised, this one takes the cake, guys. This is from Input Matt Will at Culture. Amazon wants to set an example with influencer counterfeiting case. Kelly Fitzpatrick and Sabrina Kelly Krejci, I think it is, are banned from linking to, promoting, marketing, or advertising for any products sold on Amazon. So, this was just about a week ago that this came out. They were sued in November, but let's read the story. Amazon has settled, and I will link this below for you guys. They've settled an ongoing lawsuit with two influencers who are allegedly selling counterfeit goods on the platform. The company announced this week Kelly Fitzpatrick and Sabrina Kelly Krejci will be completely banned from selling goods on Amazon's marketplace, as well as being forbidden from linking to, promoting, marketing, or advertising for any of the products already sold on Amazon, meaning they can't do Amazon associate sales, affiliate sales. That's where you link a product, you get paid a commission for sending people to the site. All right, the exact financial settlement agreed upon by the influencers has not been disclosed to the public. Amazon has designated the settlement to be charitable. That's very cool of them. Settlement payments from both Fitzpatrick and Kelly Krejci will be donated to the International Trademark Association, ITA. Fitting choice given that the ITA dedicates itself to educating the public about the importance of intellectual property. The case is the most high-profile yet from Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit, the CCU, which the company formed last summer. Amazon hopes Fitzpatrick and Kelly Krejci will serve as a prime example of just how seriously it's taking the counterfeit peddling. It's a complicated scheme to track. Amazon first filed the lawsuit against them in November 2020. The influencers were charged alongside about a dozen third-party Amazon sellers who helped them carry out the scheme. So obviously they were contacting other sellers to get them to make listings for these fake goods. Fitzpatrick and Kelly Krejci allegedly utilized a complex social media posting system to work around Amazon's anti-counterfeiting protections. The influencers would post two photos side by side, one of a no-name product and another of a luxury counterfeit product. They promised that if the users ordered the generic product, looking product on Amazon, they would actually receive the counterfeit luxury product instead. So this goes to show me that these two were not very savvy and very educated. In fact, complete idiots. And let me tell you why. If you were using your social media traffic, basically what these girls were doing was posting a picture of a no-named item and next to it a fake designer item, and then saying, go to our Amazon and buy the no-named item because that's what's going to pop up when you click it. There'll be no information. We'll send you the fake one. Why did they go through all that process? Why didn't they just say, hey, if you want to buy this, just send us $20, PayPal, Venmo, whatever, and we'll invoice you through whatever, however you want to invoice, or we'll put it on our own website or Shopify or whatever, and you could just do it like that. Like, they didn't even need to go through Amazon. This was stupid. The only thing I can think of is every time they sold a good, they were linking it through the associate, and they were getting a commission on top of making the sale, so they were kind of double dipping, if that makes sense. Basically, they listed the item, so if they sold the item, they would make a profit, obviously, but also when they sent the customer to buy it, it was linked through Amazon Associates. So it's like they sent a customer to Amazon and Amazon paid them a commission for sending a customer. And then they also made the profit on the sale of the item. So yeah, that's the only thing I can think of was the double dipping. But man, was it worth it? Because now look where they are. They could have avoided Amazon altogether. So there's the picture. Mickey GG Wallet dupe, $21.99 plus shipping, very trusted seller. Order this, get this, swipe up. And that's what they did. The influencers would link to an Amazon page that made no mention of the counterfeit product, included no photos of it either. By relegating the counterfeit product info to TikTok and Instagram, they attempted to sidestep Amazon's counterfeiting watchdogs. That part of the plan obviously didn't work out in the end. Bingo, they should have never even involved Amazon or any e-commerce platform. They're dumb. Amazon has been ramping up its anti-counterfeiting efforts slowly but surely in the last few years. Even before forming the dedicated counterfeit crime unit, Amazon was spending upwards of $500 million a year on anti-counterfeiting. Law enforcement's been key to those efforts too. Amazon hopes that this high-profile case will serve as a reminder to others who might try to make some fast cash on the company's marketplace. We're pleased that this settlement has resulted in the individuals recognizing the harm they caused, assistance for our investigation moving forward, and that charities will benefit from the recovered funds. This settlement sends a strong message to would-be actors that Amazon will find you and hold you fully accountable. Fitzpatrick is ready to be that example. She says, I would warn others engaged in similar conduct on social media that there will be serious consequences for their actions, she said in a statement. An influencer still now selling lawfulness rather than knockoff purses. I'm surprised somebody's not suing her because that's a clear knockoff of Gucci, and I'm surprised Gucci hasn't come after her and filed a lawsuit, actually. It may be coming. Who knows? We'll have to see. Anyways, this one takes the cake for our idiot sellers of the day, week, month, year, whatever, and on multiple instances. Even trying this scam was dumb, and then doing it the way they did it was dumb, and not doing it through their own site or invoices was even dumber. So don't be these people. Don't sell fake goods. Even if you tell people they're fake goods, you can't do it. It's illegal. You'll get kicked off. You'll get sued and probably end up in jail if you keep doing it. So there you go, guys. What not to do as a seller. I appreciate you watching. As always, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.